You've probably seen Nectar's ads all over TV and social media, and review sites like us tend to love Nectar's support and overall value. Layla doesn't quite have the social media buzz, but it's a sneaky, great all-foam mattress with copper-infused foam to help with cooling. And it's actually 2 mattresses in one. So, which should you choose? Well, we're going to talk about some of the key features of each and help you decide which is right for you. But we have links to great discounts on both mattresses in the description below. All right, let's get into it. As we said, both the Nectar and Layla are all foam beds. The Nectar has 3 foam layers. The top 2 comfort layers are made from a soft, plush memory foam that contours to your body. The support core is a high-density polyfoam that keeps your body on an even, healthy plane. Overall, it's a medium firm bed that rates about a 6 on our 10-point firmness scale. The Layla is also an all-foam bed, but it is flippable. One side is soft, the other is firm. On the soft side, you get 2 layers of contouring memory foam. Then the high-density foam support core is in the middle of the bed. If you flip it, the firm side is just 1 inch of memory foam, followed by that high-density foam support core. It's built like a sandwich. The soft side rates about a 4 out of 10, and the firm side rates a 7 out of 10. At Sleep Foundation, we always recommend you look for a bed based on your body weight and your sleeping position. So, based on our testing, which of these beds will fit your sleep profile? We think the soft side of Layla is ideal for side sleepers up to 130 pounds, but for mostly everyone else, side, back, stomach sleepers, and those over 130 pounds, we think the firm side is a much better fit. On the other hand, we love the Nectar for side and back sleepers up to about 230 pounds. If you're over 230 pounds, we think you'll struggle to get the proper support. Memory foam softens as it heats up, and we found heavyweight sleepers just sank too far into the surface, which compromised their alignment. One of the primary selling points of an all-foam bed is that, as I just said, when it heats up from your body heat, it softens and conforms to your body. This is great for relieving pressure buildup throughout the night, especially for side sleepers. As you can see from our pressure mapping on the Nectar, there was very little pressure buildup on our tester's back and stomach, and some pressure around the shoulders and hips. As for the Layla, same here. Very little pressure buildup in the back and stomach, but a little more pressure in the hips than what you'd find on the Nectar. There is a lot more to explore on how these performed in pressure relief testing, so be sure to check out the full review at sleepfoundation.org. In addition to pressure relief, a big selling point for an all-foam bed is motion isolation. All-foam beds tend to absorb most motion and prevent it from disturbing your partner or them disturbing you. As you can see from this chart, both the Nectar and Layla performed comparably to other all-foam beds. And when measuring shifts and movements while in bed, you can see that the Nectar and Layla performed much better than a hybrid bed. Now, the reputation for all-foam beds is that they tend to sleep hot. Memory foam works by absorbing your body heat, softening, and then conforming to your body. If you look at the results from our testing, both the Nectar and the Layla slept cooler than the average of our all-foam mattresses. So we think hot sleepers should be comfortable on these beds. The flippable nature of the Layla does come in handy if you're unsure what firmness preference you would like. And we also think it's a great choice for guest rooms since you can flip it to accommodate your guests' preferences. Of course, for many of us, the bottom line is the price. If you're on a budget, the Nectar is about $400 cheaper than the Layla, depending on when you buy. Nectar also offers a 365-night sleep trial, while Layla's sleep trial is only 120 days. So you get plenty of time to decide which is right for you. But look, we think the Layla and the Nectar are 2 standout all-foam mattresses. Take advantage of their risk-free trials. And if you want to do even more research, check out full video reviews of each bed right here. And we always have in-depth reviews, including our testing data, over at sleepfoundation.org. Links to all of that are in the description below. Thanks everyone for watching. Sleep tight.